we are going to learn today is about kanji of country. As you see here, this kanji have the reading of Onyomi and Kunyomi. But first, we are going to learn how to pronunciation about the Onyomi first. So let's learn to pronunciation together. Koku, koku. Koku is the reading of Onyomi. So the next, let's see how to read the Kunyomi reading. Kuni, kuni. Kuni is the reading of Kunyomi. Almost every kanji in Japanese have the two way of reading. The first is about the Onyomi reading, and the second is about the Kunyomi reading. So you should remember how to read. So now let's see what is the meaning of this kanji. This kanji had a meaning of country. So every time you see this kanji, that you should understand that it means for the country. And anything that relates to the country, sometimes they will use this kanji to represent the meaning and how to read that. So the next, to make more understand about how to read, how to use this kanji, the kanji of country. So let's see how to use it. The first, we are going to learn about how to use the reading of Onyomi koku. As you see here in this sample, we have the word koku-o. Koku-o. Koku-o is mean king. In this word, we have the kanji of country, and the next kanji is the kanji of o, is mean the owner or the president. So when we put the kanji of country with the kanji of owner, that means the king. So this word, it had a meaning that the king. Chukoku. Chukoku. Chukoku is mean China or Chinese country. Chu, the kanji of Chu is mean represent for Chinese or China. But when you put the kanji of China with the kanji of country, that means the country of China. So in this case, we can translate to be like China or Chinese country. Chugoku is mean China. Beikoku. Beikoku. Beikoku is mean America or USA or United States of America. The first kanji in here is represent for the America, and the second kanji koku is mean the country. So when you put the kanji of America with the country, that's meaning for the country of America. So in this case, you can translate to be like America or USA, as you see here, or you can say United States of America. Gaikoku. Gaikoku. Gaikoku is mean foreign country. As you see here, the first kanji is reading like gai. The first kanji ga in here is mean outside. So when you put with the country of the kanji of country koku, this means we can translate directly by outside of the country. So when outside of the country, that means foreign country. It's not your country. If you are Japanese, that means it's not for Japan country or Japanese country. It means another country, but we don't specific of the country. So we can say gaikoku. Gaikoku is mean foreign country or another country. Kokusai. Kokusai. Kokusai is mean international. Kokuseki. Kokuseki. Kokuseki is mean nationality. Koku is mean the country, and the second kanji seki is mean your place. So when you put the kanji of country and place together, that mean your place in the country, right? So that mean where are you from, right? So that mean nationality. What is your nationality? Anata no kokuseki wa doko desu ka? It means what is your nationality? Kokuritsu. Kokuritsu. Kokuritsu is mean national. You can use in the example of like Kokuritsu Daigaku. Daigaku is mean university. So when you put Kokuritsu Daigaku, it mean national university or the university of the country, and say national university. Kokugo. Kokugo. Kokugo is mean national language. The kanji of go is mean language, and the kanji of koku is mean the country. So that means the language of the country. So when the language of the country, we can say in English like national language. That means the language of some country. The next we are going to learn how to pronunciation of the Kunyomi. As you see here, the reading of Kunyomi, let's say kuni, and the word we see here, we can say kuni. If you just see only the country of the kanji of country, and you see here, you can read like kuni. Kuni is has the meaning of country or state or region or national government. So it has quite many meaning. So you should remember that it has the meaning of country, state, region, or national government. You can use the kanji of kuni. So thank you very much for watching my video clip, and please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. And if you have any question about how learning Japanese kanji or anything about Japanese language, you can comment below. I will be happy to answer your question. ありがとうございました。